Hi guys, Elmer here. So today I'm going to show you regarding about underwater light junction box cover. So this is considered 5 by 5 inch na dimension, and I think they just decided to put the acrylic panel, no, or acrylic board to replace the old junction cover, and they just glue the cover to the base. And you let's see what will happen if we press this one. So there is water inside. Okay, basically this is a non-standard, this is a substandard, and this is common here, guys. This thing shouldn't be done, especially on a swimming pool area if it's active, because this acrylic board, once damaged, it can cause laceration. It's a safety hazard, so don't do this. Just find the standard cover, that will be much better. So again, I hope you learned something. Thank you so much. This is Elmer from Pool MacGyver channel. Thank you.